It is the real thing. It is the real thing that reveals more and more and more of your self-perfected nature. It's much better than getting into any kind of altered state of consciousness. An altered state of consciousness is a half measure at best. Awareness, relying on awareness, is the real thing. When you allow your self-perfected nature to be as it is and to flourish for the benefit of all, when you rest as points of view rather than try to get something out of them, in that you find a power of thinking and a power of speech and a power of action that isn't present otherwise. It never can be. It's beyond belief in points of view. It's way beyond belief in points of view or faking being somebody. You can never fake being this. It can only come from the power of resting as awareness. So for every instant that we bring rest, more and more confidence and rest into our life, for every moment of that we find the tension in our body, voice, and mind relaxing and releasing. From then on, we never need a script. We can go anywhere and we know just what to say. We never worry about what we're going to say or think about what we're going to say because we just know. And we don't need to even sit around and like roll our eyes. Oh, what am I going to say next? Got to think of something good. We just know, it comes pouring out. Why? Because we found our self-perfected nature, and its voice is like a lion's roar. When a lion roars in the jungle or the savannah, all the other animals fall quiet. And when the lion's roar of awareness comes to the fore, all the points of view fall quiet. So just remain in that state, and no bravado is necessary. Just remain as you are. You don't need to be anything for anyone else or for yourself. You don't need to puff yourself up or make yourself small in order to fulfill some kind of identification you have with who you are. Just remain as awareness. That contains all. That contains the self-perfection you've always been seeking. See, just the sun can't help but shine. That's what it does. And it shines on everything equally. It doesn't say, oh, I'm going to shine on him today, but I'm not shining on her. No way. She was a bad girl. And so the sun of awareness is like that within us. It's shining brightly all the time, and it shines equally in all our points of view, no matter what they are. So just let all those points of view be as they are. All these points of view, no matter what they are, they're free in their own place. They're self-liberated. The here and now is already spontaneously self-freed, is self-liberated already. It doesn't need to be coaxed or tweaked or examined or analyzed or anything else. Everything is already free in its own place. With this, there's just the single practice to grow strong in. Just this single practice, and it is so powerful. It is exceedingly powerful. The greatest beings who have ever lived on the face of the earth have practiced this practice. So why would you need anything else? This alone is enough. Even if a very great being has practiced many other practices, in the end, this will be their only practice. It will be their only one, and they will say those others were unnecessary. It has happened time and again. So nothing is necessary, only this single stroke of resting as awareness repeatedly for short moments, many times.